Today I will be showing how you can work in MS Paint. Click on Start, go to Search and click Paint. You can click on the Paint option. This is a Paint interface. You have many shapes tool here. You can click on any of the shape tool, select a color and you can draw the shape you want. You can choose any color and you can draw the shape. So these are the different shapes available. You can draw any of them and try. Next, if you want to fill color inside the shape, you have to select the fill tool. Choose any color you want to fill. Come inside the shape and click. Your shape will get filled with different colors. You need to come inside the shape and you have to click. Next, you have different brushes. You can choose any brush for drawing. You have different sizes. You can choose whatever size you want. Choose any color. With the help of the brushes, you can draw. There are very many types of brushes. Whichever brush suits your drawing can be chosen. This is the spray brush. When you use this, it will look like you are spraying something. This is a text box. It is used to write any text you want. So I am taking a demo. I'll write it as demo. Here also you can choose any color you want and continue. So before writing, you can choose the color. Click on home. You will get back this. Suppose you have done any mistake, you can select the eraser and you can erase like this. If you want to erase a bigger part, select the selector tool here. Select the rectangular selection. Select the part you want to erase off and click delete button in your keyboard. This is a simple demo to show how you can use your MS Paint to create different pictures. So now I will show you how you can do a house. So you can choose a triangle, draw a triangle, select the square or rectangle shape and draw your rectangle. Make a door. Make 2 windows. And you can fill the color for your house. Like this, you can create beautiful pictures. If you help out your children, they will really enjoy this software. You can download the software for your children. They will have fun working on the computer. Nowadays, children are getting addicted to TV or they're watching videos. So instead of that, they can spend some time drawing on the computer. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel by clicking the bell icon. Thank you. See you again.